Have you ever torn open a pack of instant noodles and wondered, how in the world are these made? Well, today we're taking you behind the scenes for an exclusive tour of a massive state-of-the-art noodle factory. Forget what you think you know. This place is spotless, futuristic, and a marvel of modern engineering. Get ready to see how your favorite quick meal goes from simple flour to a perfectly packaged product. It all starts with the highest quality ingredients. Huge bags of premium wheat flour are emptied into the system. This isn't just any flour. It's specifically selected for its protein content to give the noodles that perfect chewiness. From there, an automated system precisely measures and adds purified water, salt, and a few other key ingredients. Everything is calculated down to the gram to ensure consistency in every single batch. There's no guesswork here, just pure science. These ingredients then move into a giant industrial mixer. But this isn't your average kitchen mixer. This is a vacuum mixer, as it needs everything into a massive, uniform dough. It also removes air bubbles. Why? This process is crucial. It creates a denser, firmer dough, which is the secret behind noodles that have that satisfyingly springy and chewy texture, or what the Japanese call koshi. Without this step, the noodles would be much softer and less resilient after cooking. It's a game changer for noodle quality. Once the dough is perfectly mixed, it's time for it to be transformed. The huge mass of dough is fed into a series of giant rollers. Think of it like a massive pasta machine. It passes through multiple sets of rollers, each one pressing the dough a little thinner and smoother than the last. This repeated rolling process, known as compounding, develops the gluten structure even further, making the dough sheet incredibly strong and elastic. The end result is a continuous, perfectly smooth sheet of dough, stretching as far as the eye can see. Now, for the magic moment. Turning that sheet into actual noodles, the dough sheet glides into a set of precision cutters. These sharp, grooved rollers slice the sheet into thousands of identical strands in the blink of an eye. Depending on the product, the factory can swap out these cutters. One set might create classic straight noodles, while another makes those familiar wavy strands that are so good at clinging to broth. The precision here is incredible, ensuring every noodle is the exact same thickness and width. But these are still raw noodles. The next step is to cook them. The freshly cut noodles travel on a long conveyor belt that snakes its way through a massive steaming tunnel. Inside, hot steam envelops the noodles, cooking them perfectly in just a couple of minutes. This pre-cooks the noodles so that all you need to do at home is rehydrate them. It's an efficient, continuous cooking process that handles thousands of servings at once. After steaming, the noodles are ready for the step that makes them instant. They take a quick dip in a massive fryer filled with clean, hot oil, heated to about 150 degrees Celsius. This isn't about making them greasy. It's a flash frying process that rapidly removes the moisture from the cooked noodles. This dehydration is what makes them shelf-stable and allows them to cook so quickly later. The tiny holes left behind by the evaporated water are what let hot water penetrate and rehydrate them in just minutes. Coming out of the fryer, the noodles are hot and crispy. They now embark on a long journey on an elevated conveyor belt, allowing them to cool down naturally to room temperature. This cooling process is just as important as the heating, ensuring the final product has the right texture and won't get soggy in the package. Along the way, you'll see quality control experts, all in clean lab coats, carefully inspecting the noodle blocks. They're checking for color, shape, and any imperfections. Anything that doesn't meet the high standard is removed. Now, for the grand finale, packaging. This part is like watching a symphony of robots. The cooled noodle blocks are perfectly aligned and then, with incredible speed and precision, robotic arms pick them up and place them into their packaging. At another station, a tiny packet of seasoning is dropped in. Then, the packages are heat sealed, locking in the freshness and protecting the noodles for their journey to you. It's a mesmerizing dance of automation, ensuring every single package is perfect. Finally, the sealed and finished noodle packages are bundled, boxed, and stacked onto pallets by even bigger robots, all ready for shipment. From this factory, they travel across the country and around the world. The next time you see them on a supermarket shelf, a whole array of different flavors and styles, you'll know the incredible journey of science and technology that went into making that simple, delicious meal. It's so much more than just noodles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours.